Harvard scientist accused of lying about his ties to China is now free.
As he fought for his release, the FBI put out a bulletin for a former BU researcher who's charged with hiding the fact that she was in the Chinese army. WBZ's Tiffany Chan has the story.
Dr. Charles Lieber was able to post that $1 million cash bail, walking out of federal court today alongside his wife and lawyers. He didn't have much to say about the federal charges against him for lying to federal agents about his ties to China. Jennifer, do you have anything to say about the charges here? The former Harvard professor was straight-faced walking out of Moakley Federal Courthouse. He was put on administrative leave after he was indicted for allegedly lying about his work with the Chinese government-run program designed to steal U.S. research. The U.S. attorney said Lieber was paid $50,000 a month, many times in cash. Prosecutors stressed that China is the #1 threat to research theft, issuing this FBI wanted poster for Yang King-Ye. The 29-year-old was indicted Tuesday, accused of lying about her ties to the Chinese military to get a student visa at Boston University to work as a researcher. She's wanted for sending U.S. military and research documents back to her superiors before escaping to China. Dr. Lieber and his wife also had to surrender their passports after the judge expressed concerns that they could be a flight risk. Prosecutors say there is a major threat to research theft here, and while most researchers are here to work under good faith, many are working for the Chinese government. Outside of federal court, I'm Tiffany Chan for WBZ News.